Most people will be happy with the default font sets installed on Linux, which dictate the fonts you can use from your Ubuntu desktop to Word documents. However, if you're a font enthusiast or you just need more, then this guide's for you. Hi, this is Phil from Make Tech Easier, and this is how to install fonts in Ubuntu. Most people will probably consider the collection of fonts that comes with the latest version of Ubuntu as more than enough. Others, though, may need much more in their line of work. And some would just like to have more choices, or just want more. If you too would like to install more fonts in Ubuntu, this is the video for you. Microsoft Core Fonts. As long as their installer is available, Microsoft's Core Fonts will feature in every tutorial about adding fonts to a Linux installation. Some of them remain hugely popular, and you may need them, especially if you're collaborating with Windows users. To install them, fire up your favourite terminal and enter the following: sudo apt install ttf-mscorefonts-installer. Individual free fonts. Ubuntu doesn't come with every font under the sun by default. There are many fonts you can get individually, however, to extend your font collection. You can install them as with any other package using sudo apt install and then the package name. You can replace the package name with any of the following examples, or you can install them all at once. If you don't only need one or two more fonts, but have decided to drastically expand your collection with everything we mentioned up to now, don't install each package individually. You can bring them all on board at once by combining their installation in a single apt command, like so. The line that you paste in is on screen and will also be pasted into the comments so that you can cut and paste it there yourself. Paste the line, press enter, and soon you'll be playing with a ton of new fonts. Manual TTF installation. If you already have a specific TrueType font or more that you want to install, you only have to copy it into a specific folder. First, make sure that what you have is in TTF format. If you downloaded some fonts from a site, they might be compressed in an archive that you'll have to extract. When you have one or more TTF files in a folder, to install them, move them to the hidden fonts folder in your home directory, either with the terminal with mv, name of the font file, ~/.fonts, or if you have more than one, then obviously you can type mv*.ttf*/.fonts/ and that will move the fonts from the current folder to the fonts folder. If you need the fonts to be available system-wide so other users can make use of them too, then use this command instead: sudo mv*.ttf/user/share/fonts/. Another method, of course, that is very easy to do is you can literally just copy them from where you stored the fonts to the .fonts directory. Trouble is you can't see the .fonts directory. You need to make sure that the .font directory is not hidden, so you have to select the checkbox to unhide hidden items, and then you can copy the fonts between where you have them and where you want them to be. Update the font cache. If your fonts don't show up in any applications, you can try to manually update the fonts cache with the following command: fc-cache-f. And for system-wide fonts, obviously you would have to use sudo fc-cache-f. If they still don't appear, double check that they were in the TTF format in the first place and that you have copied them to the correct folder. Check that they've been copied by typing ls:/.fonts, which will give you a listing of all the fonts that are in that directory. Fonts in action. Your new fonts should be available in any application that supports the manual selection of TrueType fonts. For example, run LibreOffice Writer, type something, select it with the mouse, and change the font from the pull-down menu. Your new fonts should appear among the previously available ones. As you can see, it's very easy to install fonts in Ubuntu 20.04. If you have read our Ubuntu 20.04 review, you will know that it's fast and stable. Are you currently using Ubuntu 20.04? Tell us in the comments section below. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. That's all for now. See you next time.